Hey guys, thank you for watching Tech Arena. I'm Arnav here, back again with yet another video, and in this video I think most of you might have guessed the topic while seeing the thumbnail and the title. Yes, I'm going to talk about Vivo V11's honest opinions from my side. I have used that Vivo V11 smartphone from a shop lately now, so I've come to some conclusions whether I have basically my opinions which I'm going to share to you in this video, all the pros and cons of that. So if you want the Vivo V11 Pro's separate review video in our channel, please do comment yes in the comment section below so that I can make it possible in the future if you want a Vivo V11 Pro review in our channel. So before moving on to the video, if you end up liking this, do consider smashing the like button, subscribe to our channel by clicking the red color subscribe button below. It's absolutely free. I mean, trust me, there's gonna be some giveaways and some other fun stuffs coming into our channel, so please stay subscribed and also press the bell icon so that you stay updated in our channel with the videos I post in. So let's get on to the opinions of the Vivo V11 Pro. So Vivo has been developing its V series smartphones lately, from Vivo V3 to the latest Vivo V11 Pro. Well, as of I've used in a shop and I've got into some conclusions saying which is my opinions in this video. So I'm going to start with some of the pros which I have observed in that particular smartphone. So the Vivo V11 Pro basically has Snapdragon 660 powered on top with the in-display fingerprint scanner, 6 GB of RAM and a 3400 mAh battery. Well, the build is plastic and it has got a micro USB cable, sadly no type C. Well, now I'm going to go to the pros of this after the specifications which I've told now. So the best thing which I've observed in this Vivo V11 Pro is the in-display fingerprint scanner. Well, for the sub 25,000 price range, Vivo has made its step on to introducing the in-display fingerprint scanner, which is one of the first of its kind, because I've seen the in-display fingerprint scanner working in the Vivo Nex and the X21, but never in a smartphone which is pricing less than 25,000 rupees, which is, I mean, really great. So the second most best thing, the second best thing in this smartphone is its display. So talking about Vivo V11 Pro's display, I mean, when you talk about Vivo itself, Vivo, Oppo and OnePlus, these three companies are actually associated with a company called BBK Electronics, which is one of the biggest tech giants in Asia. So these three companies often share the design segments from one to another. So there are some of the same design traits copied from one smartphone to another. I mean, if you see the Oppo's latest smartphone, which is the F9 Pro, you can see the same display implemented in the Vivo V11 Pro. I mean, the raindrop notch, which is first of its kind. I mean, Oppo has done it really well, eliminating the big notch problem. I mean, it's really great. It's a good solution for a notch hiding display. I think nearly 90% of the screen to body ratio is well versed for the 25,000 mark price range. So the third most great thing about the Vivo V11 smartphone is its camera as well. Often Vivo is said to do good in music as well as camera. When comparing it with the Vivo V9, which my friend has, well, Vivo V11 Pro has definitely got one step ahead of those its predecessors. So, well, kudos to the cameras from Vivo for its Vivo V11 Pro. Now, the saddest part is its cons. Well, yes, for Vivo, if you see, there are a lot of problems and lot of things which is coming from the reviewer's perspective. I think the company should properly catch it, then they can improve in the smartphone world. So if you see the cons of the Vivo V11 Pro, well, the implementation of the Snapdragon 660 in a 26,000 rupee smartphone, well, that is not a good idea. See, when you have a smartphone with the Snapdragon 845, 3,000 rupees lesser than the Vivo V11 Pro, who would go for the Vivo V11 Pro? I mean, I'm not saying that you should get the Snapdragon 845. At least you could have implemented the 835, which gets a good competition at the price range. I mean, it's definitely my idea, because Coming on to Poco, well, they have implemented many flagship tier features in its price range of 21,000, which is really great. So Vivo, I think you should work on this. At least you should have bought in the Snapdragon 710, which is the latest mid-range processor from Snapdragon Qualcomm. So that is what one of the defects I feel. So the second con which I observed is that USB type C is not there in a 26,000 rupees smartphone. I mean, come on, it is the age of new tech, so you must have removed the micro USB, even though it supports fast charging in another way, but you should have implemented the Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 with a USB type C cable. It doesn't take a long time to do that. So that's what one of the con which I've observed with. And a plastic build for a 26,000 rupee smartphone, well, that's also a question mark. They must have bought in a glass type material, or they must have bought in the metallic feel to that, so that it's great. I mean, the look is great of the Vivo V11 Pro smartphone, but given the price range, they must have included some more specification bump into that, so that people get attracted to it easily, where there are a lot of competitions when you compare it with the Vivo V11 Pro's feature. So that's it. These are my honest opinions on the Vivo V11 Pro smartphone. So if you want to buy the smartphone, the link will be down there. You can check it out and buy that smartphone. So if you end up liking this video, smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and also press the bell icon so that you stay updated in our channel. Hope you like this video. Talk to you the next time. Bye.